morning, everybody.
Good morning again, sir.
I'm Chief Engineer Patricio P. Maquila, the instructor of your course, Auxiliary Machinery System. Our topic for today is about this auxiliary diesel engine. Basic principle of operation. Diesel engine operates when a charge of fuel is injected into heated air in the working cylinder. The heat ignites the well, warm gas raises the temperature, expand and move the piston. So this heated air came from the compression. Compression is a piece of engine which combination of fuel and air in the cylinder before being ignited. So, classification of an engine based on fuel use: diesel fuel, gasoline, and gasoline fuel. What is diesel fuel? Anybody can define what is diesel fuel? Sir, can you define it?
Diesel fuel is the system of the diesel fuel is through heat and ignition, compression, heat and compression.
Okay.
While the gasoline engine is used by like spark or igniter or like spark plug,
Okay.
which lead to burn the fuel.
Okay. But diesel fuel is a low grade fuel usually used in diesel engine. And the gasoline fuel is a high grade fuel usually used in gasoline engine. Most probably the automotive engine. So ignition method: spark ignition, gasoline through spark plug, and compression ignition, diesel through fuel well injector. So in gasoline, we can say that there is a spark plug, right? So in the diesel engine, what I said before, through compression. Operating cycle, 2-stroke cycle, and 4-stroke cycle. What is the difference of 2-stroke cycle and 4-stroke cycle? Can you answer this question, sir? Sir Gonzales?
Yes, to differentiate the two-stroke cycle between four-stroke cycle engine. Two-stroke cycle, that means the engine operates only in two-stroke cycle for one complete revolution. So two-stroke cycle means you have to complete only downward stroke and upward stroke of the engine to complete the revolution. Complete one revolution. And four-stroke cycle is a kind of engine that completes four-stroke of the cycle to complete one revolution. That means the upper stroke, two upper stroke, and two downstroke of the cycle to complete the revolution. So that means the two-stroke cycle is only 360 degrees, at the four-stroke cycle is 720 degrees to complete one revolution.
Okay.
Okay.
And sir, can you give more your idea about the two-stroke cycle?
Two-stroke cycle is, on my opinion, is in every revolution the power takes place, this two-stroke cycle. It means every revolution the power takes place. And the four-stroke cycle is in every two revolution, the series of events takes place, which is exhaust, intake, compression, and this is the difference between the two-stroke cycle and four-stroke cycle.
Okay, that's good. Four-stroke cycle has four-stroke cycle. The first stroke is the compression stroke. Then next the power.
No, the power takes
Exhaust.
the power
Exhaust
is
stroke.
the power is the series of events which takes place when the cycle is done.
Okay, good. And the method of cooling is water cooling and air cooling. So four-stroke cycle, the four-stroke cycle is completed in four-stroke piston of two revolution of the crankshaft. So that's what I have said about the four-stroke. And the chief engineer can also define and know this cycle. So before I end up this session, I hope that everybody fully understand my lecture. So, okay class, we have a written exam for assessment.
Question or answer? Or
Written exam. What is the basic principle of diesel engine operation? Number one. Number two, what are the classification of an engine based on fuel use? Number three, what are the ignition method? Number four, what are the method of cooling? Number five, define four-stroke cycle. Okay class, did you get the written exam? My question? Sir, can you answer my question? What is the basic principle of diesel engine operation?
The diesel engine is when the charger of fuel is injected into heated air and working cylinder.
What are the classification of an engine based on fuel use? Sir, my second question is, what are the classification of engine based on fuel use?
classification is diesel fuel and gasoline fuel.
Okay. Number three, what are the ignition method? Sir, Gonzales. What are the ignition method?
Ignition methods are
Spark plug, spark plug and
compression method.
Yes. What are the method of cooling? Method of cooling.
Water cooling and air cooling.
required for stroke cycle